Thank you for your interest in our Sugar Contact Us tab application. This is a demonstration on how to install the Contact Us tab application onto your Facebook fan page. To install the Sugar Contact Us tab application onto your Facebook fan page, browse to the Sugar Contact Us tab application page. Then click Go to App. If this is your first time accessing the application, you will need to authorize the application to display within your Facebook account. Please click Allow to continue. Next, you will see a list of Facebook pages for which you are an administrator. We would like to add this to our test page. So, we click Add App. You are then brought to a confirmation page. You'll need to click Add Sugar Contact Us tab. Once you add the tab application, you will notice that the Contact Us tab now appears on the left-hand side of your page. Click that and you will be presented with a screen letting you know that it has not been configured. The message in the center is a message that will appear to your visitors until you click Configure. The admin section above and the red description below do not show to your users. Click Configure. You will notice that the Sugar Contact Us tab application requires a subscription for full functionality. Without a subscription, the visitors to the Contact Us tab will be presented with an under construction message. However, administrators of the page will be presented with the full form in order to ensure proper testing before subscription activation. The first step to configure the Sugar Contact Us tab application is to connect it to your Sugar CRM installation. Doing so establishes the URL as well as a list of campaigns, users, and lead sources that are in your installation. To do so, click Connect to Sugar CRM. If you are not browsing Facebook using a secure connection, you'll be given a security warning. It is highly recommended that you continue by clicking Reload with SSL first. Otherwise, you may continue unsecurely. Please note that if you've made changes on the form behind this, you must cancel and save before you reload. Otherwise, changes may be lost. Once the reload occurs, click Connect to Sugar CRM again. You will be presented with the form. Paste in your server information, your username, and your password. The Sugar Contact Us tab application does not store the username or the password. This is only used to verify that the URL you've entered is correct and to obtain the list of drop-downs that are required for application functionality. To ensure your security, you may create a temporary account in Sugar CRM that is only used to establish this connection, and then disable the account after this step. The username and password will not be needed again unless something changes in your Sugar installation. Click Connect. After a successful connection to Sugar CRM, you will be presented with a list of campaigns, users, and lead sources that are available within your Sugar CRM installation. If this looks reasonable, you may click Yes to use this data, and the drop-downs will be filled in on the original form. Next, we can configure the lead source to Facebook Test, which we have previously created within Sugar CRM, and choose Website Contact Us, and we'll choose myself as the assigned user for the new leads. Next, click the Form tab on the left. You may choose to present a title and a greeting to any users that visit this tab. You may also rearrange the fields in any order that makes sense to you. Drag in a horizontal rule or other fields until you are satisfied with the layout. Note that all fields on the left-hand side are the fields that will display on the final form. Once you are satisfied with the appearance, you may move on to the next step. Next is the Success tab. This is the message that is presented to the user on a successful submission to Sugar CRM. This is a WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get editor, and you may type in text and set it bold, underline, or change the colors, etc. For now, we will leave it alone. Next is the Error tab. This looks the same as the Success tab, but this text is displayed to the user if there was an error creating the lead in Sugar CRM. Once you are satisfied with the settings on all 4 tabs, click Save Changes. Next, visit your page to make sure it is showing correctly. We'll click on Contact Us, and we now see the form that we have configured within the Sugar Contact Us tab application administration tool. You will also be reminded that this application requires a subscription for full functionality. The admin section and the red dotted area, along with the contact request form, will only be displayed to administrators. After a subscription is activated, the contact request form will be displayed to non-page administrators instead of the under construction message. We sincerely hope this video has helped you understand how to install and configure the Sugar Contact Us tab application.